Hey everyone, so it's your boy Yashvi Gaming. Well, if you're new to this channel guys, please like the video, share the video and hit that subscribe button. And also ring that bell notification as well. In this tutorial guys, today I'm going to show you how you're going to claim Jura Chorus plugin for free. Alright, and I've seen while they got the key, but they do not know where to redeem the key. First thing first, what you want to do, you want to grab this link where you're gonna claim your Jura Chorus. Okay, so if this pops up, just close out of this, scroll down here, just fill in your name and put your email. All right, and once you're ready, just click sign up now. Okay, you're gonna see this, thanks for signing up. Now go back to your email and click on promotions, not primary. Okay, click on promotion if you have Gmails, and if you have Yahoo, you're gonna find it in the promo whatever. Here it is, the plugin. All right, and here's a key, so let's do that. And here we go. Here you're gonna click download for Mac if you have Mac, but for Windows just click that button right here. So if you don't have an account, click sign up. Okay, but I've already have an account, so I'm gonna click login. All right, so once you've done everything correctly, you're gonna see this window right here. You have successfully signed in. You may now close this window. All right, so on the email it says to, in the menu, select add product. Yeah, so we're gonna click add product, and then we're gonna choose software, and here we go. We're gonna copy and then Control V on our keyboard to paste it, and I'm gonna simply click add. We should be good to go right here. As you can see, Jura Chorus registered successfully.